Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Tech Box. In this video, we are going to know like what is ChatGPT. So, uh, like it's around I guess 2025, right? So it's around 2 or 3 years since the ChatGPT came, and nowadays it's pretty famous. Like basically everyone uses ChatGPT. If anyone don't know how to use ChatGPT, then it's pretty rare. But still, I guess I should tell them. So chatgpt.com. This is the website of ChatGPT. There is the app on Play Store of ChatGPT too. Just go in it. You can log in, but ChatGPT also offer their services to use for free. But for better services and for storing and history and all, you can log in with your any Gmail account or better options they provide. So see, this is the basic interface you will see of ChatGPT when you go on chatgpt.com. If you will uh, use ChatGPT mobile application on Play Store, it will have a similar kind of interface. There will be you will see input box where you can enter some text. You can basically you can say it's some kind of question answer thing. You can ask anything from ChatGPT, and it has a very large database. You can say, very basically ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT, you can say, is a large language model. Uh, it's kind of complex term. I will simplify for it. Basically, you can just say it's some kind of software uh, sitting behind, like some kind of software running on some server, which takes any of your input text and understand like what you want to know or what you are asking with that text, and it will generate a response according to your text and will return it. And for the generating that response, it will use lot of knowledge which is it learned from, you can say, from internet, from books, and uh, anything which you can think of, it learned from lot of sources. So it will basically read your input and respond back with some text. uh, so this is the basic thing which you can understand, and it is a AI, people say, if one kind of AI, artificial intelligence, because it have intelligence to respond with like what you are asking. So let's see a demo once. So I can ask anything. Let's say I want to ask mm, let me think of something. What you wanna know? Basic thing which everyone knows. I will ask very basic thing. Uh, let's ask how many colors are in rainbow. Uh, so see, it answered. I just asked how many colors are in rainbow. So rainbow has red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Uh, See, I can basically I gave it a input text. It understood like what I want to know, and it used its knowledge from its database or wherever it has that knowledge. Nobody cares. Just you need to give some input text, and it will respond back with your text. Exactly. You can ask anything. Uh, we like let's suppose I want to read some book on some startup. Let's say. So tell me uh, five best books on startup. Then it like I asked best books. It will use its knowledge base and see it is responding me with some name of some books. The Lean Startup, 0 to 1, The Hard Thing About Hard Things, The Innovator's Dilemma. So basically, it is using its knowledge database and research from internet and all, maybe people's review and uh, anything people say on internet or anywhere. It just have some that knowledge context about that, and it is responding according to my input text. Let's ask some random thing like some general question. uh, okay, let's ask, I am bored, what I can do to let's say let's do for fun or do something interesting. Suggest me 5 things and which you think is best. I see I did lot of grammar mistakes, wrong spellings, and lot of mistakes, but it understood like what I am asking from the wrong grammar and all too, because it has some understanding of like what you might be asking. It's just thinking according to that and it's answering. So it says I can try a creative AI tool, best pick. It's basically asking me to use a AI tool. It's saying I can play a game in free time, start a mini deep dive. What is mini deep dive? Pick a something random, explore 30 minutes. Okay, so read something, and I can do counter questions too. So let's say it's saying me to try a mini deep dive. So I can just ask what is that? Explain, and it will explain. So if you want to, if you are a student, you want to study, you can ask your question and answers for your textbook, it will respond. If you are doing a job, you want to do something else, you want to explore some new field, you want to learn from some medicine, whatever, it will give some information to you according to its database. You can say kind of like Google search and all, but on Google it has like people just write things, post it, and you can just go on their websites and read it. But it work little different. What it does, it just it learn all the things beforehand, and when you ask, it uses its knowledge to answer your question like a human being, but not that advanced, because it's answering on the basis of data it has. It don't think, it just process and think like calculate things, you can say, or whatever it do in the background. It reach like a conclusion like this might be the user asking, so it just respond with that text, something like that. So that's the basic of ChatGPT. If you want me to summarize, you can just say like you can ask some questions and it will respond back with some answers according to its knowledge. And in technical term, this thing is known as large language model, LLM model. So ChatGPT is basically a LLM model. Basically, it interact with you in human language. So that's why language model, and large because it is very large model. You can't run it on a single laptop or single server because it uses lot of resources, and it take around months to train one large language model. So uh, this is I would like something you should know about ChatGPT. And if you don't know and if you never use ChatGPT, then I will say try, man. You are missing a lot, because nowadays everyone is using AI, everyone is using ChatGPT, and it's not like you can use it for just study. You can just ask it anything. Just try, ask whatever you want to ask, uh, and explore, and let me know what you ask, what you explored. uh, that's all in this video. Thank you uh, for watching. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Okay, so see you until the next video.